We go to news now in politics. Prime Minister Andrew Holness was taken to task by PNP President Mark Golding for his handling of crime in the country. The criticism came at a PNP meeting in Spanish Town Saturday evening. Mayor of Spanish Town, Norman Scott, also used the occasion to announce his intention to challenge for a PNP Vice President post. We have the details from Dwayne Anderson.
A small group of PNP supporters got some big news last evening when several party officials converged in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Spanish Town's Mayor Norman Scott confirmed to party supporters that he will be running for one of the top jobs in the PNP.
I today officially announce my position where I'm going to be seeking to be a vice president of the People's National Party. And I want, comrades, when Comrade Mark Jefferson Golding stands up in the national arena, I want to stand beside him as one of his generals.
PNP President Mark Golding, who was guest speaker, told supporters that he's working on uniting members of the party, and another meeting was held on Saturday as part of that process. Supporters were also told to get ready for local government elections.
And to all of our candidates, I say, get close to the people. Be out there, be accessible, listen to them, hear what their concerns are, understand their concerns. Don't be afraid. Yes, people might check you for this and check you for that. You might not be in a position to give everybody everything right now. We know that. But listen to them. And you know that when you are in a position to do what you have to do, you will be doing it for the people.
Mr. Golding also took aim at Prime Minister Andrew Holness for his handling of the country.
More women seem for dead on the Labour Party than any other government. Them a kill women and left, right and centre. May I tell you, it's like the country gets sick. And you know, in my own view, the tone that has been set, the brogad culture, it has made the situation worse. Because you're not embracing a wholesome set of values and living by it. When you embrace certain image and certain things. Senator Crawford talked about it in the Senate the other day. The kind of tune them where the Prime Minister used on the campaign trail. Pure badness in them tune there.
The political gathering was staged with COVID-19 measures in mind. We noted that some chairs were left empty to try and space out the people who attended. But not everyone wore their masks at all times. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.